Hi my loves, welcome and welcome back to my channel. So like everything in life, there's always a beginning, and I was like, you know what, the best way to show you this apartment is to show you the place when I first got it. It was a project. I remember my sister telling me that nope, you ain't living in this place, let's move to PA, and I was like, no, I see some potential, I can fix it. Yeah, I mean, keep on watching to see if I did or not. Um, okay, so it's like a living room slash kitchen in a way. It was not like really a kitchen, but I don't know, half kitchen. There was no cabinet whatsoever. I did add some cabinet to it, which you will see, in the video. This is the bathroom. Um, there was not much to the bathroom in the beginning. My landlord did give me a ugly ass cabinet, which I did not like. The bathroom was pretty ugly. Let's just say that. I'm just gonna say it like it was. Was not my style. But at that time, I was so broke that it was perfect. Okay, so that's the entrance basically. There's not much to show. It was the bathroom, the living room, half kitchen, and after that you go straight to the bedroom, hit the fireplace. You go straight to the bedroom, and that's the bedroom. Was a decent size. I will say I hated the floor, but I always believe I can fix it my way. So first I did the closet, which I did a great job. I'm so sorry I did not have a video about the closet. Oh, so fucked up of me. I did not film nothing about the closet. So that was like 2 years later, maybe 2 years later, after I kind of completely moved in, and I was working so much. Like, I know I didn't like the place. I know I wanted to move out. So I basically was working on moving out of the place. So I did not really waste my time of fixing the place or anything. So I was just working, saving money. And I was also in a relationship with this guy that basically punched my damn mirror because he was mad about some stupid shit. And then we broke up, and I was like, okay, you know what, I hate the place, but then again I can fix it. um and after the breakup, I was not home. I literally was out all the time. It was a mess. I was out all the time. I will just come home to pick up clothes, and like you clearly see, I had a powder, I think that's the name of that shit, um issues. If you're still here, subscribe. you know um so to continue, I decided that I'm going to fix the place. Fix the place. I'm gonna start over. New me. At that time, I was tango and shit. I was like, new me, new stuff. Let's get it. So I decided that I will fix the place, and also I had to fix my problem, where it's like I will not throw away nothing. I will save everything. It was bad, so I decided, you know what, it was time for change. It was time. It was time. And I was in some princess shit. Like, oh my god, this is so fucking embarrassing to even show online. Like, I'm looking at it right now and I'm like, do I really have to show you that? This was an embarrassing moment of my life. Very embarrassing moment of my goddamn life. Okay? That's the ugly part of me that no one ever see. Okay. So I also have an addiction with freaking teddy bear. Like, I still have them though, because I refuse to throw them away. I'm gonna give them to my daughter if I ever have one. Let's pray on that. Manifesting. Okay. So, oh my god, the bedroom. So like you can see, there's mess everywhere, but I decided to film this though when I was ready to fix. Like, you can see the painting on the floor, because I was ready to kind of like, give the place a makeover. Oh my god, it's the cheetah freaking bed for me. Like my sister said. for me it's the red carpet. I know you're gonna make fun of me of this, but listen, it was a dark moment of I won't even call it a dark moment of my, you know what? You know what? If you comment anything bad about this, I will remove the comment. So I went to Home Depot, got some stuff for the bathroom, and little that I know, right? I can put a bathroom together. I did not know I have the skills. Like, I asked my landlord to do it. He was like, I don't know how to do this. Like, you might have to call up, someone to do it for you. I was like, okay, I don't have money for this. So I put the whole bathroom by myself. Like, you can see me doing it. That's me. I did it by myself. I was so proud of the finish. Look at this. Look at this. It was so pretty. I pinned the door. I was looking like a hot mess for like 2 weeks because I was working hard. Got me a new bed base. I think it's called SmartBase in Amazon. Got some pillows. And I did the bedroom floor. I put some peel and stick tiles in it. Now I wanted to do the whole apartment. I just could not afford that at that time. So I was like, you know what? I gotta, be on a budget because it's not my place. It's it's like a rental place. So I was like, I'm just gonna try to do my best to make it look nice, but without spending too much on it. So I paint, I throw away some stuff, like I gave away a lot of my stuff, pack them, send them to Haiti and stuff. I don't know why I didn't send my bed to Haiti. I think I gave it to my landlord wife, which she made money of, but that's okay. They're nice people though. They're nice people. Like living there, I always feel safe. It's like you're living with your family in a way. So that's why I end up staying in this place for so goddamn long. Alright, so everything is done now. The place is up to date. Things looking so much better. Like you can see, I don't know why I don't have a video of the living room. Maybe I will do it. Maybe I won't. I don't know. But I do have a video of the bedroom because that's what I'm proud of. And listen, the way this bedroom turned around, it just freaking miracle. Okay, like the floor, oh my god, look at this. I'm in love. That's all I'm gonna say. I'm gonna show you around a little bit. Did a great job. The color is like a light green. I forgot the name, but I will see if I can find the name for you guys. But I think if you go to Home Depot, you will definitely find something. So the chair was I got the chair from TJ Maxx. My mirror, which I'm in love with. I'm really love this mirror. Like, look at that. I can take so much great picture. Like like I love the mirror. I think I got it from Home Goods. So I love the gold finish. Now I feel like I wanted to spray paint this one gold, but I left it alone because the chair, it's silver and black. So I was like, okay, it's kind of match, and also my mirror is kind of match, but I wanted the room to be really white and gold. But this part I really don't care about it because why this part is kind of like a studio where I film, because like you see I don't put nothing here. I kind of like will do clothing and other stupid stuff on it. I feel like this will be perfect for clothing video. It's not the best because the camera, I feel like it's kind of like, I feel like I don't have enough space. I don't know, it's kind of like the door cannot close and it's kind of looking a little bit weird so far. I'm still trying to work with it. So it's not enough space, but I'm working with what I got. Okay, I'm not trying to be fancy in this YouTube stuff. I'm just trying to survive, you know what I mean? I'm not making much money to be fancy, even if my camera and my lighting is fancy, but other things gonna stay simple. So the painting, okay, this one I think I got it Be Your Own Kind Beautiful. I got it at TJ Maxx. Okay, this is my art. I did this myself, so I don't even know how to tell you to do it, but I did this myself and I love it, so I decided to put it there. This is Haiti stuff. We use this for spice in Haiti. Not a small one like this, people, but a big one. We use it for other stuff. But yeah, so this is my perfume collection. yeah, I'm a freak. Not a freak, but I love perfume. I do. This is my favorite. Coco Chanel, it's my favorite perfume of all time. Okay, so I got this at Target. Well, not this one, I had this already, but this part I got it at Target. This one for TJ Maxx. I got this already. I just spray painted gold. This one, if you're on my Snapchat, you saw when I did it. A lot of people was asking me what I'm doing. It was black. I just spray painted gold because I wanted to match with the room. Now I'm not too crazy about this. Not the good deal at all. But also I got like a SmartBase bed, not bed, headbed. I don't know. Okay, I'll try to find the name somehow. Base, I don't know, I forgot the name, but it's like, it's good. I think this is like a 16 inches, and you can store so many stuff underneath it. I'm not gonna show you everything, but you can, that's my bikini sheets, you can store it. So I got this. If you live in New York, you know what it is. When it's come to space, you don't get much. And this is my closet now. My closet, I did my closet a long time ago. I wish that I show you guys how I did my closet from the beginning to the finish, because this closet was a mess and I did it like this. I went to Home Depot, measure everything. Like, I'm so proud of this closet. I can't believe I did that closet by myself, all by myself. I did the whole thing by myself. I still can't believe it. I'm so proud of it. Was amazing what you can create, when you put your mind to certain things. Okay, I really love this closet, and in New York we don't get much space, so yeah, that's not much to show you guys. I'm just basically going into some things, some detail, because I don't want nobody to ask me question like, where you get this. Now, if there's something in this room that I got and I have a link for it, I'll put the link below. If I don't put the link below, that's mean I kind of went to the store and get it myself, which I did for most part of this room. The floor, as the finished look, I am so happy with the finished look. Now, if this right here, like this, after a while, if I didn't get, like, when it was too late to return it, because I paid for it already, that's why I ended up keeping it. But I really feel like I shouldn't even have this one. I should just leave this by itself, but it's okay because I need the space. I can use the space. So, but yeah, let me know guys if you like it. Let me know if you want to see more video like this about storage, if you live in New York, or how I manage to store stuff. Price for rent in New York, I don't know. New York rent is very expensive. I don't think it's a subject that I even want to talk about, because everybody know what it is. It's very expensive to live in New York. It's very expensive, but my apartment is very cheap, and that's why it's so small. Also, it's a basement. Don't say that louder. But it's very cheap. That's why I'm still on it, because I'm trying to save to get something better. But right now I'm living like in a small place, and I'm not complaining. I'm very grateful for it, because I'm, so, but it show you this part. Okay, thank you guys for watching. Like always, I love you. Remember to subscribe, comment, like, subscribe, comment. Bye.